Welcome to my home. If you're new here, my name is Karen. Oh, we also have leftover
good intro.
The rice that Dad made, Cuban rice.
Yeah, and Leo.
We're gonna get Yvonne some potato salad made for supper.
Potato.
And then we're gonna go outside and rake. Yvonne's gonna rake and I'm gonna watch.
What? Knock it!
Leo's gonna supervise. Oh my. He's saying, put me down, old lady.
Old lady? The baby! Oh, it's hotter than Africa in here.
Really?
Yeah, open up a
I
window.
don't know who turned the heat up.
Not me, because I said it was hot.
You said I turned it up. You literally said to me. You didn't turn the heat up, so I did it.
Oh, that was the baby.
Yeah. So I'm just going to put whatever fits on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like them for snacks. 7, 8, 9, and 10.
I'm just so bored.
Oh, these aren't with it. I just still have extra. So cute.
I just put my hair up in the one of her little scrunchies.
Yeah, those are perfect for your hair.
What?
Those are perfect for your hair.
Mm-hmm. They're nice and thick.
Yep.
Thick.
Actually, if I make a bigger potato salad, Crucio would probably eat it.
Potato salad. Why do you say it like that? Potato. This is my favorite spoon. I got my nails done this week.
Hannaford for Easter, they were two bags for $3.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my lunch. Cuban rice and beans with avocado slices and Roma tomatoes with the onions that she's making and to drink.
Oh, yeah.
To drink my favorite Coca-Cola. Okay. Where'd you learn how to make potato salad?
I think, well, my mother always made it, but I actually,
make Boston food.
Yeah, I actually looked online, I think, for as far as the mayonnaise. It's just mayonnaise and a little mustard.
That's it?
Yeah, and because the egg, and then sometimes I could do like onion powder.
Do you use the yellow part of the egg?
Yep. That with the mustard gives the the potato salad yellow color. I could never get it yellow, and I couldn't figure out why. And it was because I didn't know everybody was adding mustard.
LOL.
LOL.
So here I am, slowly getting my eggs.
Yep.
One at a time.
Yep. Don't break them. With a pasta thing.
And guys, just being right here, I'm already like having a hot flash.
I feel like just putting the potatoes in there.
Ooh, true.
Yeah.
Yeah. The water's already boiling.
That's what I'm thinking.
So then here I am putting the potatoes and making a mess and trying to burn Yvonne, even though she's already
hot
right now, hotter than Africa. Yeah.
Here we are.
What are you doing? I look to the side and you're like...
We went to get the mail. Too bad I had the wrong
But this
keys.
one forgot the key. I knew you
Well,
were going to do this.
I thought I had the key.
Oh, yeah. 57,
But at least I gotta walk.
59, how old
Isn't
are
it
you?
nice out?
Yep.
58.
58 is hitting you.
All right, it's another beautiful day. Good day. After a nice walk, I was like, okay, I went on a walk now. I don't want to rake. That's okay. It's just so nice out. I can hear birds. So I think what I'm going to do, yesterday I was like over there in that area. So I think I'm going to like come this way. Plus it's not that bad here and I only have 2 bags left. By the way, I love these. And I linked them in yesterday's video, and I'll try to remember to do it again today. Or you can go to my Amazon store. I need to put that link in all of my description boxes too, in case you see stuff you like. And when you can't find something, go to, like if it doesn't fit in a room like these, I need to make more categories, but you can look in recommended products. I do get a slight little kickback, like, I don't know, pennies on the dollar. At the most, maybe a penny a dollar. I don't even know. All right, time to get my rake and get raking. It's really the best time to rake because there's no bugs. I need to write myself a note that says no bugs, because that's what always got me in the past. I would start so late, there'd be lots of bugs. So I'm definitely beating the black flies this year, because they'd be dumb to come out now if we're going to get more snow. We got a chickadee in the camera today. I'll have to put it up so that you can see it. Black-capped chickadee, which is our Maine-shaped bird. Are you cleaning up your yard yet? I'd love to know. I need to get one of those things that makes the skin stay open. I don't even know what it is. Bag frame? I'm going to give you a little peek into the future. I knew we were getting a snowstorm. I knew it was going to be about 18 inches for us. What I didn't know is because it is such a wet snow, the devastation that it was going to cause. And I'm going to show you that in my next video, which hopefully will be tomorrow. Excuse me. I'm home right now. There's no power. We have to go under electrical lines to get anywhere. We have to drive over an electrical line to get anywhere. And but I'm really hoping that I can get out tomorrow and go somewhere with a good internet connection. I don't have anything here. I don't even have cell data or a cell signal. I can send out messages if I do it a certain way. Sometimes I can get them, sometimes I can't. Sometimes I can make a phone call, sometimes I can't. And you're going to be surprised at which tree fell in my yard. Well, there's more than one, but there's one that's especially sad to me. And I'm going to show that to you tomorrow, hopefully. So make sure you come back. It's just so crazy that it's in the 50s on this day, and 2 days later, we're getting 2 feet of snow. I'm trying to stand in the sun and grab what's in the shade. I don't want to stand in the shade. They're bald. One good thing is the pine cones are pretty light, so even though I fill a bag, it's still not heavy. I have to buy lots of marshmallows for this year. I said I should buy lots of marshmallows for this year, thinking of what I'm picking up right now, but I had no idea how true this statement would become. Let's see if I can just put this little pile in here. I think I can. I don't know where these things have been all my life. I wouldn't have never known about them if I hadn't watched Jody Dunn. So thank you, Jody. YouTube is just the best. It gets me motivated watching people work and helps me relax to watch people work. I just love to watch people work. And, you know, then you can let your family relax and watch someone else work. Then it's like, you don't want to clean? Who cares? It'll make a great video when I clean. Amen? Amen. So they always say when you have a ton of acorns fall, it means a tough winter. We had tons of acorns, but this was not a tough winter. All right. Actually, I think the acorns were for March. Once spring hit, that's when we got all the snow. It's just so funny. We've had 2 storms that have more snow than any of the other storms we got. All right, now I want to get across here. I wonder what my neighbors think when they drive by. They see me filming myself reeking. All right, let's start right here. gonna worry too much about the sticks today. I'm out of bags, but it's really good because it's getting shady, which means it's a little cool. But you can see I need to do like this strip. But then when you come to here, you can really see what I was able to get done. So that's all clean. I have some in the driveway I'll need to get next time. And this pile over here I wasn't able to pick up. The sticks will end up getting burned for campfires. Then this is what I accomplished yesterday. Also, I just need to get this area right here, but beyond it looks a lot better. Also though, this is what I wanted to show you, and I forgot yesterday. My mother gave me these little rabbits. Usually they go here in front of the butterfly bush, but we always, see if we can see in the shade, we always have chipmunks that live in this little hollow. And we had this from last year for the garden too, so I put it there by the chipmunk home because I thought that looked so cute. So here's the iris progress. You can see they're still not up much. Probably best since winter hasn't given up yet. This is a mess that will need to get cleaned up. Plenty to do here. Let's see if my daffodils are up at all. That needs to get picked up. Nope, I don't see any daffodil action here. Wait, right here. They brave little daffodils. Spring is coming. Oh, there's another one. And this is all recovered with snow. But this is where my daylilies are. As you can see, they're fighting for their lives. I won't lie. I'm feeling it, but that's good. I'm glad I got to go for a walk. I'm glad I got to get some of the yard cleaned up. And I'm going to take an hour and I'm going to watch Blacklist on Netflix. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the potato salad going. I still need to figure out what to do with some meat. It's probably going to be chicken, but it could be spare ribs. Because really, Yvonne is the only teenager home. And she eats anything. And Rachel, if she doesn't want it, she'll just have a piece of chicken. So I might do spare ribs. We'll have to see. Anyway, I'm going to take an hour break. Please give yourself breaks. Be the kind of boss you'd actually work for. I'm taking a break. It always feels so good to take a break before I make dinner. So my potatoes are nice and cold, as are my eggs ready to peel. And then we're going to need some mayonnaise, mustard. Here's the mustard. Here's the mayonnaise. I need to clean out this fridge. That will wait. I need to decide, am I doing spare ribs or am I doing chicken? empty. Guess we'll get rid of that. I think I'll do chicken. I could always cook it in Italian dressing. I used to always like it like that. So I'll get this defrosting. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll do these. Probably don't need all of this. Were those the ones my husband froze for Rachel? I think they are. So, put these back. That's probably enough for 3 people. And then Rachel will have to figure out what she wants. Get these defrosted. And do the rest. While that's happening, I'm going to peel these eggs. Bring over my trash can. That way, I don't need something to put the shells in. Plenty of mayonnaise, plenty of mustard. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely don't need all of those. So some of these are going to be saved for snacks. I probably will do 4 for the potato salad, and then the rest be for snacking. Or I could do some deviled eggs tomorrow. Whoa, that would make me like a hero. I love chilling the eggs because then they're so much easier to peel if they are thoroughly chilled. I know a lot of people use their, what do they call those things? Not an air fryer. It's like a pressure cooker. What's it called? Never mind, I can't remember. Either way, so for Easter I tried, somebody told me that a long time ago to put a towel in the pan when you boil your eggs so that they don't bang on the bottom and break. So I put a microfiber cloth in. So I don't know if you're supposed to put like a big towel or what kind of towel. All the microfiber cloth did was float to the top while the eggs were bouncing on the bottom. I mean, they didn't really break from the bottom anyway, so, but I do find just old school, bring it to a boil them for 10 minutes, chill completely, peel them, and they are good enough. Doing an extra one for me. Chef's prerogative. Also, I will put the potato salad in here to mix it up. I don't measure the mayonnaise or the mustard. I do mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and then I do paprika across the top. And I don't measure. I just kind of have it look right as far as how much mayonnaise covers it, and then I do the mustard to taste. We like a lot of egg. Which is more. Salt and paprika. Yum yum. I'm going to get some chicken breast cut in chunks, and I'm going to fry it in Italian salad dressing and a little seasoning. Super simple. Hey Rachel.
Yeah?
Do you want chicken breast or what are you doing today?
Let's see. I can do chicken breast.
Okay. You just want it cooked on the stove, normal like?
Yeah.
I'm cooking ours on the stove too, but I'm just gonna put some Italian dressing on it.
Mm-hmm.
I just love these simple days at home where I'm cooking for my family. I can be outside. It's so nice out. I can be raking and taking care of the lawn. I can be going for a walk. Oh, it just feels so good to have a day at home. How do you feel about that? Would you say you're more of a homebody? I kind of feel like you probably are more of a homebody, most of you anyway, and that's what attracts you to this type of video. It's definitely what attracts me to this type of video. I love just seeing what people are doing in their homes. It's just so much fun, so satisfying. This turned out to be a really great dinner. So if you ever think to try it, just put some chicken breast on the stove in a frying pan and your favorite Italian salad dressing. And we did the Green Goddess seasoning on it as well that you get at Trader Joe's, but you don't need to do that. I've done it with just the salad dressing and my family really loves it, especially if you let the chicken brown on the outside at the end and the dressing caramelizes a little bit. It just makes it that much better. Like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
I ain't here to try to change your mind. Trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small.
So this is Green Goddess seasoning and the Olive Garden Italian dressing. And I will let that like cook down until it browns the chicken. And boring old green beans. And our potato salad is chilling in there. While that's cooking, I need to get this emptied from our lunch so that this is nice and empty so that we can easily put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher.
So you're looking for the secret that got me here. Some kind of magic ingredient that takes you there. Well, you just keep showing up. You just
It's bussin'.
keep showing up.
So here I am gently scooping this out. The stuff is busting, so I'm cooking a lot.
And then the chicken was cooked in Olive Garden dressing and some of that Green Goddess seasoning.
What was that for?
Everyone, it's supper. Green beans, chicken,
Oh, I thought this was dinner.
macaroni salad. No, that's just in place of rice, man.
And it looks like this. Now time to try.
Now you're gonna get a plate for your other stuff?
Yep. That's busting. Wow.
You need to try the chicken, it's bussin'.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Plus I put on 2 cans of green beans because I know you actually eat green beans. Unlike your sisters.
Looks like a good sauce there. Probably add a little water.
No,
No?
because it's done. If you add water, it'll get cold.
Okay.
With your clauses. Now, don't you want some?
That is good.
Told ya. Need to trust the master.
Trust the process. Yeah. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. Let's see your plate.
Thank you, dear.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ah.